Hi guys, I just received my Mouser.com order with some Adafruit stuff I want to show you. I ordered it from Barcelona, where I live, and it took about 2 weeks to arrive. It is mainly display components like 7-segment displays, LEDs. So, this is the cooler one. This is a Bicolor LED square. As the other ones, it has the square itself. That is this. Here, here, here. Okay, and this is the backpack that you need to solder behind it to get an I2C working. Okay, more. Another one. This is a double 2-color LED bar. It also has the LED bar itself. Is this, and the backpack you must solder to it to get it working. Okay, seams. This is the cobbler. This is to get easy to put cables on the Raspberry Pi. It's very nice. Okay, more things. Pushbutton. This was to fill the order to 50 euros. That was what I need to have to get free delivery. This is the one of the 2 displays I ordered, and the same as the other ones. One is the display, and this is the backpack. Okay, themes, another display. I think one was yellow and another one blue. More things. I think this is the switch. Yeah, switch, chip switch. I don't know what it is. Maybe it was a mistake. More. This is I don't know. Another switch, and it's all okay. And the invoice, and this is all.